Once upon a time in a garden lived different flowers. A proud rose, a shy lily, a fun-loving sunflower, and a bluebell plant. At first they argued about who was the most beautiful. I smelled the best. I shined the brightest. I looked the prettiest. One day the gardener planted a little bluebell plant in the middle. When we all bloomed together, we made the garden beautiful. From that day, the flowers stopped fighting and learned to live together. Now this garden had become magical as harmony had arrived.